You never know when a routine trip to the dentist may become a life-changing experience. Have you ever wondered what a beautiful smile could do for you? At DeVito Dental Solutions, we believe the possibilities are endless. Join Dr. Carolyn DeVito and see how we can create a brighter future for you. DeVito Dental Solutions, 1300 University Avenue, downtown Morgantown. Call 304-292-1764 today.